guys, it's Stephanie here. So today I'm going to show you how we went about making the mattress to put inside of our van. So we were able to actually make our mattress, which is wonderful. So we started here with a thick layer of base foam. It was 5 inches thick, and then we used 2 top layers and we cut them out to the dimensions that we needed for our bed. One is called Serene and one is called Interjex. Neither one of them are temperature sensitive, which is super nice for being cold temperatures like we're going to. So there you just saw me cut down the fabric I needed for the bottom, and now I'm making the border. Nice and easy. We're going to move it over to the next side, next table, and where we spray down the foam to glue it. And then we will go ahead and staple down this called flange around the edge to make sure it's nice and neat for us whenever we go to sew. So we did the top, and now we're going to flip it over here and we are going to put on the bottom. As soon as we finish the bottom here, we go ahead and put the border back on and we're ready to sew. This is called a tape edge machine and is used to sew the tops and the bottoms of the mattresses. Chris and I have both worked at the store before, Sterling Mattress Factory in Heron, and so we were both really familiar with how to do this process. So when we finished that, we went ahead and bagged it up, and then we took it back home with us. We were able to actually put it in the van from there and have kept it in there since.